When your cat sticks out its tongue, it looks very cute. Here are the main reasons behind this behavior. First, your cat might simply be very relaxed. When cats feel extremely comfortable in their home, they might forget to pull their tongue back in. Second, cats often stick out their tongue while cleaning themselves and might forget to retract it, especially if they are distracted by a sudden noise or movement. Third, if your cat is sticking out its tongue and panting, it might be because it is feeling hot. Cats pant to regulate their body temperature.